ribbon cake, aficionado perfume, t-shirt, Angel's Pizza, banner, and also the hanging balloon. So for today, our receiver ay si Sir John Carlo Magno at ang ating sender ay si Sir Arnold Garcia from New Zealand. Tara, surprisahin na natin siya. May papareceive lang po, delivery po. Bali ko yung nagpa-deliver po kayo.
Kanino yan? Wala ko.
May idea po ba kayo kanino galing? And for this package po, makakatanggap po kayo na first monthsary po, right? So, we are from Send Love to Pinas po. And may gusto po sa inyong message ang nagpadala nito. So, hayaan niyo po akong basahin ito. Kung may asawa, ay po asawa ko. Happy first monthsary po sa atin. Una sa lahat, sorry po love, ipinalit po ang monthsary ko sa iyo. Second po, nagpapasalamat ako na nakilala kita at dumating ka sa buhay ko. I'm so thankful and grateful that you're always here for me, even when we're too far away from each other. I promise that I will love you every single day and it will never change. As I always told you, asawa, that I love you, that you never experience from your ex, so here I am doing the right things that you deserve and treated you properly. I will always love you forever and ever. I promise that I will treat you right, not leaving you or cheating you, and I promise that I'll do anything that will make you happy. And we're gonna reach our dreams together, and no one will gonna left behind. I promise that I'm always gonna be here for you, no matter what life you have. I still will stand by your side, and I want you to be happy on this day. And I hope you like my monthsary gift for you, my love. I love you forever and ever, asawa ko. Yours truly, your asawa. Third message lang po sa nagpadala. Dito po kami.
Third message. Happy monthsary. Love. Thank you sa pa-surprise. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Sobrang. Thank you.
Ayan po. So, we are from Send Love to Pinas po. Actually po, sir, this package po is cash on delivery po and hindi pa po ito bayan.
Ano ba yan to?
Opo. COD po ito.
Okay.
Worth of 5K po ito, bali po hindi pa po siya bayan. So, sa inyo po na kami and kayo po ang responsible na.
Bakit to?
niya may pera kayo? For 5K daw po.
5K. 5K talaga?
Yes.
Ay, hindi pa ba yan?
Opo. Cash on delivery.
Wait lang, iwalay na tayo. Ano ba yung talaga? Seryoso?
Yes.
No! Hindi ako rin.
Hindi po kayo ready. So, for this monthsary, it's a prank po and bayan-bayan po ito.
Naprang ako!
Hello for you.
Ay! Sobra ako naprang ko.
For here.
Thank you.
Ay, ma'am, pwede po pa. Rest na lang po.
Beb, kaya mo ba? Saka na yung panda.
Kasi na to.
Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Palagi